What's going on, everybody? So I told you last time that I was oh, you noticed. Fresh cut. Margarita and I are just walking through distillery. My last video, I made a mention on what I was looking to get. All right, so we're pulling up to the store. But first off, I just want to say, celebrate your mistakes. You are powerful and you are loved. Oh, and then you got some cute little feet, people, dollies here. And then of course the beautiful, beautiful margarita. And the crazy statue over here. All right, so we are here with Jason in front of Segway of Ontario, Tesla backseat baller, and I told you I'm interested in a scooter and I'm gonna do a review and an unboxing and everything, and this is it here, the Ninebot Max. And again, I'm gonna let Jason just to talk about his company for a second here.
So Segway of Ontario, we've been around for about 15 years now, selling Segways. We started with the old-fashioned Segway PT, the ones where you stand up and lean forward and backward. And then as the years went on, we started to get some new product. As you can see here, there's the Ninebot Segway Max kick scooter. This is actually the newest version. We also sell some of the mini Segways and other kick scooters and go-karts too. So we have it all.
And how long have you been in this location? All 15 years?
Yep, and within the distillery, we kind of bounce around a little bit.
I'll have some links down below to the store location and Jason's contact. So if you're interested in any of them, the ES2, the ES4, the Max, and all the other ones he's got, check out the website and everything. All that will be somewhere around here on the screen. Like I told you, you saw it. Ninebot kick scooter Max. It has a full charge max around 65 kilometers, but listen, we all know that's not true. You're gonna get a lot less. We're gonna put that to the test though for sure. But I'm gonna just unbox this and put it together. Again, I just wanna say thanks to the Segway of Ontario. Let's get to it, enough of this talking. So be very gentle with the handles as you're taking it out. Lift the bar up, lock it into place down below here. Then watch the wiring in here so you don't pinch it. Ninebot gives you a tool. It's Allen key. And look at the screws too. They already put the Loctite on there. So we're just gonna take the 6, put them in. Do not tighten until you have them all, and then hand tighten it. So once you feel that resistance, stop. That's it, done. Do not do anything else. Do not tighten it any harder. What's really neat about this is it actually does not have a charging block. So if you are going on a road trip or something, this can easily go in your backpack, even your pocket. Oh, I will help you. Oh, you're gonna give birth. Oh, to a Ninebot Max. It's a 23-pound. So much plastic on these things. Do we not care about our environment? There it is. So it's gonna keep beeping at us. Then on the app, which we downloaded, close devices, and now it's found it. Press pair. So now on the scooter, and now it's saying, please ride safely. It's got a ring bell and everything on there, all set up. So there's actually a firmware available for the scooter. It's coming up, so update. So unfortunately, it's getting a little dark today, so I'll have to do it tomorrow. But for you, it's gonna be like nothing ever happened, except, you know, it's gonna be brighter in the video. All right, so like I told you, it's gonna be a fresh new day for me, but for you, it's like time didn't even, you know, it's just like boom in there. So I actually put the Insta360 on the bar here, and I'm using this bracket. Let's go for a ride and see how this works on bumps. Hopefully that holds and doesn't fall, because if it goes, I have to make a sacrifice. Either the camera goes or I go with the scooter, because I can't keep both, right? We'll see you in the 360 view. Let's hit the road. We have it in drive mode, and I didn't give enough kick. So you have to kick it to start off. I know it's not the best view, but you know what? I can give you a view of the front or the back at any time. enjoy the ride. Let's go for a bit. So I've got it set into the eco mode. Sorry, not in the eco mode. The eco mode, you get obviously the best range. So we're going to see, actually we're going to hit some nice bumps here. So we're going to have it on drive mode. Maybe you can hear all that clacking from this bridge. It's a wooden style bridge I'm on. So the max that I can go here is about 25. On your left?
Thank you.
Is 25, actually just hit about 26, so 25 kilometers an hour. So as I was saying, you're getting 25 kilometers per hour max here when you're on D mode. You have the Regen Braking. I have it set at full, so it completely reminds me of the Tesla. So once I release that throttle, it starts to slow right down, and I can use the brake in case of emergency, but I have not used the brake yet for this whole ride. Again, what I love about this is that no range anxiety at all. Just basically cruise along, don't have to worry about any of that. Ooh, sharp turn. But with the 360, I can show you the right side now. You can see the boats out in there. I'm gonna go off-roading here. So besides the camera again floating all the way down, went over that with ease. And I'm basically using my shoulder to rest it on. I know you won't be able to hear me right now, but yeah, let's go do some off-roading. This thing handles a lot of things. And now we're gonna go on some heavier bumps. Get everyone a nice view of the lake. Again, I'm not going so fast over these. That's not a lot of room first off. And rocks, I gotta try to avoid. And now I'm in trouble. Oh, there's a big tree here. So now I can't go over that tree. All right, guys, so I'm gonna carry it over now. All right, let's take these side streets. And again, I got it in sports. It's a little wet in the gravel here. It's motoring through here like it's nothing. This scooter is actually pretty fun. The power in this rear motor is pretty strong. Now you can see the way it just tackles all that, right? Over the first bump. Again, this gravel, look at this road that I'm on. Yeah, there's no way it's gonna make it up here. So I'm gonna have to lift it, that the battery wouldn't clear that. So you have to be mindful of the jumps you're gonna do. But again, on this track, like, you can giddy up some pretty good speed going through that spot. And you see how it handles that pretty good. All right, so my closing thoughts on the Ninebot Max. Like, totally awesome. I'm going to do a range test next. I've already put it through the paces, as you saw, that off-roading. This thing can handle a lot. You have to be mindful of the way the bottom is with the batteries. So it's not like you can just hop some curbs or anything. You can hop off a curb as long as you don't go slow. You kind of have to go fast so that the whole, the front and the back tires take off at once. 65 kilometers range, up to 30 kilometers an hour. So it's got 3 modes. Eco mode, so obviously to get the best distance, 8 kilometers an hour. Drive mode, which is 25 kilometers an hour. And then sports mode, which is up to 30 kilometers an hour. So any questions you guys have, let me know, comment below. Again, range test will be coming. That'll be another video. Thanks for watching. Catch you all in the next one. And she's gone.